Hey beauties, welcome if you are new here. My name is Danita B. So I got some hair from Jenna Collection. This is their Remy Illusion Virgin Hair Dub and Water Wave, and comes with 3 bundles, 18 inch, 20 inch, and 22 inch. And it also comes with a wide free part that is 6x6. And the color that I have is 1B, but it also comes in more colors. So I'm going to make a wig today. Just wanted to do something different. So here is the wig cap that I'm using. Here's a close-up of the closure. So I'm going to start off by sewing the lace closure onto the wig cap. Now when I sew this on, I try to position the closure 1 inch from the actual bend on the wig cap. So I'm going to start off with the 22 inch. Now, if you don't want the layer look, you can always do the 18 inch first, and then 20, and then 22. And that will give you a more fuller look. So once I'm done sewing this first track around the perimeter, for the rest of the tracks, I'm just going to sew them from right to left and left to right. And I'm going to fold them as I go. I'm not going to cut. And a little bit about this actual wig canvas head that I'm using. The size is 23, and it also came with everything I needed to do a wig. It came with the needle, the thread, the T-pins, and it also came with the wig cap. Now with this particular wig cap, it didn't come with combs attached to it, but it did come with adjustable straps. If you want to have the combs, you can sew some on there. Now see, what I did was I just tightened up the adjustable straps, and I just added a couple bobby pins. So once I was done, what I did was I just added a little curl cream and I just kind of like fluffed out the curls a little bit with a wide tooth comb. Now I didn't secure the front lace with any glue because it was late and I was going to bed. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Always remember, you are wonderful, you are amazing, and you are beautiful. Peace.